You ever wonder why some people just command respect the moment they walk into a room, while others struggle to be taken seriously no matter what they do? It's not luck, it's not genetics, it's behavior, and sometimes it's a series of habits that silently destroy your credibility before you even open your mouth. So let's cut straight to it. These are 7 brutal reasons why people don't respect you. No fluff, no fake motivation, just real talk that might sting but will wake you up. Reason 1. You have no value to offer. Respect always comes from value. If you're skilled, disciplined, or helpful in any way, people automatically notice. Maybe you're the guy who edits videos, cooks great food, lifts others up, or always finds a smart solution to problems. But if you have no direction, if your days are just endless scrolling, sleeping late, gaming, and complaining, you're not giving people a reason to respect you. The fix is simple but tough. Pick one skill and dedicate yourself to it daily. It could be fitness, sales, design, editing, or even public speaking. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every small step compounds. When people see your consistency, they respect your effort before your results. Reason 2, you say a lot, but do nothing. We all know that one person who talks like a legend but lives like a ghost. I'll start working out next week. I'm watching that channel soon. I'll fix my life this month. Then 3 months later, they're still saying the same thing. Respect disappears the moment your words lose weight. Here's the truth. People remember actions, not promises. So stop announcing your goals. Build them quietly. Let your results speak. If you say you'll show up, show up. If you promise to return a favor, do it. When your actions consistently match your words, you become someone others can trust, and trust is the root of respect. Reason 3, you can't say no. Being a yes person feels polite at first. You think you're being nice, helpful, or easygoing. But in reality, you're teaching people that your time and energy don't matter. You'll say yes to every plan, every favor, every request, until you're burned out, broke, and resentful. The fix? Boundaries. Start small. Say, I can't today, maybe tomorrow. Or, I'd love to help, but I'm working on something important. The first few times, it'll feel uncomfortable, but soon you'll notice something powerful. People start respecting you more when you respect your own limits. Reason 4, you're always available. You text back instantly. You're free anytime. You're always around when people call. At first, that seems loyal, but it actually kills your value. Humans instinctively take what's abundant for granted. If you're always available, your presence loses weight. Pull back a little. Take time for yourself. Work in silence. Disappear for a week to focus on your goals. When you return, you'll notice how differently people treat you. They'll ask where you've been. They'll pay attention again. Distance creates value, but remember, it only works if you've been doing something worth missing. Reason 5, you don't respect yourself. Every time you call yourself average, stupid, or not good enough, you're programming others to believe it. Self-deprecating humor might seem harmless, but repeated long enough, it kills your self-image. Start with posture and language. Stand straight. Speak with clarity. When someone compliments you, accept it without guilt. Say, thank you. I worked hard for that. Self-respect isn't arrogance, it's quiet confidence. You don't need to prove your worth to anyone, but you do need to act like you believe in it. Reason 6, you ignore grooming. This one's simple but overlooked. You could be kind, smart, and funny, but if you smell bad, dress carelessly, or look like you don't take care of yourself, people subconsciously respect you less. Appearance signals self-discipline. You don't need expensive brands, just cleanliness, good hygiene, and attention to detail. Fresh breath. Trimmed nails. Clothes that fit. When you look put together, you send a silent message. I value myself. And when you look like you value yourself, others follow that cue. Reason 7, you're broke and staying that way. Money isn't everything, but in society, it represents discipline, independence, and competence. If you're constantly broke, borrowing money, or stuck in the same job for years without progress, people start seeing you as irresponsible, even if you're kind or talented. The fix isn't to chase wealth overnight, it's to build financial respect. Learn a digital skill, start freelancing, or create something people will pay for. In today's world, opportunity lives online. Take 90 days. The first month, learn. The second, apply. The third, earn your first dollar. That single moment, making your own income, changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Now here's the real truth. Respect doesn't come from demanding it. It comes from transforming yourself into someone worth respecting. Someone who's consistent, grounded, and valuable. If any of these points stun a little, that's good. It means your self-awareness is working. You can't fix what you refuse to face. So take one of these 7 reasons today, just one, and start fixing it. Because once you start respecting your own potential, everyone else will too. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this.